So good morning student. This is the last video of this particular chapter, the chapter to the cell. Some more questions are there that you have to note down in your notebook. Question number, just see the question. How many chromosomes are there in a human cell? How many chromosomes are there in a human cell? 46 or 23 pairs. 46 or 23 pairs. Clear? How many chromosomes are there in a human cell? 46 or 23 pairs. Next, my dear students, we have difference between plant cell and animal cell. Difference between plant cell and animal cell. Let us see to it. First point, cell wall is present. In plant cell, cell wall is present. In animal cell, cell wall is absent. Second point, in plant cell, centrosome is absent. In animal cell, centrosome is present. Third point, in plant cell, plastid is present. And in animal cell, plastid is absent. Clear? So once more, the first point, cell wall is present in plant cell. In animal cell, cell wall is absent. Second point, in plant cell, centrosome is absent. In animal cell, centrosome is present. Next, third point, in plant cell, plastid is present. In animal cell, plastid is absent. Next, my dear student, the fourth point. Fourth point is one or two large size vacuoles are present. Just see fourth and fifth point. In plant cell, one or two large size vacuoles are present, but in animal cell, many vacuoles of smaller size are present. Many vacuoles of smaller size are present. In the plant cell, cytoplasm is not so dense. My dear students, in plant cell, cytoplasm is not so dense. And in animal cell, very dense cytoplasm is present. Very dense cytoplasm is present. So this is fourth and fifth point, difference between plant cell and animal cell. All of you must write this, learn it, very important question for exam. Next we will discuss now protoplasm. It is sum total of living matter present in the cell. The whole living matter which is present in the cell is known as protoplasm. Clear? It is the sum total of living matter present in the cell. Nucleus plus cytoplasm together is known as protoplasm. Nucleus and cytoplasm together is known as protoplasm. So what is protoplasm? It is the sum total of living matter present in the cell. Clear? Nucleus and cytoplasm together can be called as protoplasm. All of you got understood the definition. It is the sum total of living matter present in the cell. Nucleus plus cytoplasm together called protoplasm. Next is prokaryotic cell. A cell which do not have well-defined nucleus and cell organelles is called prokaryotic cell. A cell which do not have well-defined nucleus and cell organelles is called prokaryotic cell. Clear all of you? A cell which do not have well-defined nucleus and cell organelles is called prokaryotic cell. Next we have, my dear students, eukaryotic cell. It is just opposite. A cell which contain a well-defined nucleus. A cell which contain a well-defined nucleus and cell organelles is called eukaryotic cell. Clear? A cell which contain a well-defined nucleus and cell organelles is called eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. Clear? Next, my dear students, we shall discuss the difference between them. Now let us discuss this difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Just see to it. In prokaryotic cell, well defined nucleus is absent. First point. In eukaryotic cell, well defined nucleus is present. Clear? Second point, it contains smaller ribosomes. Prokaryotic cell contains smaller ribosomes. Eukaryotic, it contains larger ribosomes. It contains larger ribosomes. So 2 points are clear. First point, well defined nucleus is absent. In eukaryotic, well defined nucleus is present. Second point, in prokaryotic, it contains smaller ribosomes. In eukaryotic, it contains larger ribosomes. Next, third and fourth point, let us discuss now. Cell organelles are absent. Cell organelles are absent in the prokaryotic cell, and cell organelles are present in the eukaryotic cell. Clear? This is the third point. Cell organelles are absent in cell organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell. Cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cell. Fourth point, a single length of DNA is present in prokaryotic cell, and in this several length of DNA are present in eukaryotic cell. So my dear students, these are the differences between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, and here this chapter 2, the cell, gets completed. I hope all of you might have written these notes in your notebooks. Now we shall, from tomorrow onwards, we shall begin chapter 1, and in the chapter 1 I will not be given the written notes. I will be showing the PDF files, means the videos, and in that I will tell you what all the things you have to write. So thank you very much. This chapter is being finally completed.